Are you doing your kettlebell swings wrong? You could be making this top common swing mistake that could be limiting you from making progress, achieving your full potential, and it could be leading to some back injuries. This is a common mistake I see in clients when I start training them or when I see people doing kettlebell swings. I'm gonna cover that, what that one mistake is and how to fix it right here. So what is that common mistake? That common mistake is hinging too soon on the way down from the swing. All right, you got the swing up, the bell's in the air, the bell comes down, it's coming down, it's coming down. You're hinging too soon. I get it, your bell's coming down, you want to get out of the way, but if you hinge too soon, the load's gonna go to your lower back. All right, the load's gonna come to your lower back, and a common mistake, people swing and they come down and they're like this, and they're way down here. That weight has to transfer somewhere. When you come down too soon from the swing, it's gonna go to your back. That's why some people say kettlebell swings are bad for your back and you can hurt yourself with kettlebell swings. You can if you do it wrong. That's why you're watching this, so you can avoid that. Or if you're doing it already, you can fix that right now today. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to fix that, okay? So the swing that you're avoiding, you never wanna do a bad swing with the heavy bell. So I'm gonna show you. So you're swinging the bell, you're coming up and you're coming way down here. I see this so many times. People are just they hinge too early. Okay, they're just trying to get the bell and move it around, basically swing it up and down. So instead, that's not going to be you, because you're going to watch this video all the way to the end so you can do it right. All right, so quick tip, this is what I recommend you do to fix that swing. All right, so before you get to the bell, okay, I want you to practice that motion, the swing motion. Right, you're coming down, you're swinging, you have to get that timing down before you start adding weight, because when you start adding that weight, you're gonna have to make quick decisions. The bell moves up and down, and usually there won't be good ones. So what you're gonna do, pay attention here, this is important. As the bell comes down, or as you start your swing, okay, put a bell here, put space away from the bell, hinge down just like you do a swing, and you're going to pretend you're gonna hike the bell back, and then you're gonna explode it up, and then your hands come up, okay? This simple exercise taught me how to get my timing down. It's gonna teach you how to do the same. So as you comes up, bell's floating, you come down, and right about here is where most people hinge too soon. If you're doing that, that could be leading to some injuries. So right when you want to hinge, resist that temptation to hinge and wait just a split second longer, come down to here. To your forearms, or right here by your thighs, your hips here, and then you come down, up, down, up, down. All right, 3 parts. You're practicing the swing. These are shadow swings. Okay, this is how you do the swing without adding the weight, so you can get your timing down before you start loading it up, all right? You never want to learn a technique, especially the kettlebell swing, with the wrong technique with the heavy load, all right? So you're gonna set it up, you're gonna hike it back, you're going to explode, and then okay, just like you would swing, 1, there's 2 steps, 2, and then as the bell comes down, 3. It's up, up, down, it's up, down. It seems a little silly. It may seem a little silly, but at the same time, you want to get this timing down in a safe way. So up, explode up, lower down, down, explode up, lower it down. Right here, this is where most people, like I said, start to hinge down. Wait for it, down, and then you just do this. Practice that. Do 5 to 10 sets of shadow swings. Get that routine, get that timing down first. And then you can add a swing so that, okay, you have your bell here, light bell, and then you set up. and you start to do perfect swings because you already have that timing down. Practice this. I'm telling you, this seems simple. It seems basic, but it's gonna get your timing down so you can start to hinge at the right time, load your hips, and get that ball coming down when you need it to, when it should, right? Remember this key tip here, okay? Try that, practice that swing, but you always wanna make sure, this is feedback for yourself while you're doing this, the ball or your hands, it should always go in between this triangle here, okay? You have a triangle for your knees and your pelvis, down, down, down. It should always go into that triangle. That's how you know you're loading your hips, your glutes, your core, and not your back. Practice this tip, and if you want a full 10-minute full body kettlebell workout that you can apply the swing, once you get the swing down, once you get it down, you can start to do workouts with the kettlebell. 10 minutes, I have a free full body workout that involves swings and some other kettlebell exercises. If you would like that, KB10 in the comments, I'll shoot that over to you. Until then, practice the swing tip. Do shadow swings. Get your timing down. Practice, practice, practice. If you have any questions about the technique or you have run into issues, comment below. Let's talk about it. Let's get you swinging safely, properly, and consistently. Have an awesome day. I'll see you in the next video. Train strong.